Hello everybody, LD here from 𝗧𝗛𝗏𝗏. Thank you so much for watching our videos, and in this video I'm going to share to you how we are going to apply as publisher with Involve Asia. By the way, Involve Asia is the #1 affiliate marketing in whole Asia, which is based in Malaysia. So this time we will apply as an affiliate, and let's see if we will get approved. So as a publisher, we will just join as publisher here. We will not join as advertiser because we are not advertising any product. Instead, we will be applying as a publisher to promote the affiliate program for this website. So I'll just click here. Another step, we are sharing our information, especially our property URL or our website or personal website, and also we will talk about what is our page or website about. We will just use our Facebook page, so we'll just try this one, guys, if we will be approved with this property. So next, in the name of the property, we will use the name of the platform that you are using. So we will put here Facebook, since we use Facebook, and then the channel means which channel you are going to be promoting. Here we have the ad network, engage in multiple publisher or properties, so we can choose this one: comparison, product or price comparison, website content, product reviews, unboxing, blog and recommendations. I think we will use this content channel. So that's Facebook, since we are sharing information and promoting and also some recommendations. So what is your property about? We are going to just describe what is our Facebook page about. So in my case, I will just put here, my Facebook page is about promoting simple living and economy in the Philippines. So we'll just click next. My country is the Philippines. Type of advertiser, here we will just click pay per click, pay per impression, pay per lead, pay per mobile install, and pay per sale. So we'll just choose this one, pay per sale. Property category, we will choose which category we want to promote: electronics, fashion, finance, food, health and beauty, insurance, others, shopping, travel, etc. So for our case, we will just use shopping, since we are planning to promote shopping website here in the Philippines and other countries like in Thailand, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Singapore. So we will just choose shopping. Traffic acquisition method is the kind of traffic you are using or drawing into your network or to your page. So we'll just choose here unclassified, and then the ad format that we are going to use, since we use the Facebook page, so we'll choose this one. And next, what would you like to activate? Premium inventory. The premium inventory allows you to share your current advertising package or rate card to advertisers. So just choose no, and then name of the company, official operating company name, or your full name. So we'll just enter here our full name and our email address, and enter your first name, last name, and then the password. Password, I think I'll just use, then repeat, and then just click the agree to agree with the terms and conditions and also the privacy policy of this website. So here we go, let's submit, and you're almost done. So for our to easy access of our password, just save the password here. So next time around, when you come back here and log into your account, you don't need to enter your password, just choose the password that you have saved on your desktop. So you're almost done, your registration is almost complete. We sent confirmation email to your mailbox in your email address, and then just confirm that you're done. All right, so we'll just open our inbox, and here we are here in our inbox, and we can see here the email from Involve Asia. We'll just click this one to confirm. Hooray, just one more step before we can start earning money with us. Kindly complete your registration and confirm your email address with this link. So click this one. Now you will close this tab that we opened when we signed up, and here we go. Welcome to Involve Asia. Registration is almost complete. You can now access our publisher dashboard using the button below. To the membership level, we have the silver membership level progress. So it is calculated from March 1, 2021 to May 31, 2021. You'll be upgraded when your current earnings or membership points hit the threshold shown below, whichever comes first. So since we are new, we have the 0 points out of 15 points, and we have the 0 Malaysian dollar out of 30,000 Malaysian dollars. So meaning to say we have not done anything yet. So I'll just wait for that, and we can unlock the gold membership level. So for now, we are in the silver level since we are it is the first month that we have joined in this website. Let's now apply as an affiliate here. So we will go to partner in Advertiser Directory. So just choose the advertiser list here, and let's say Lazada PH, and search. Okay, so we have three choices from this marketplace: Lazada PH for KOL, and then we have also Lazada PH content creator. Now let's try this. For the Lazada PH, we can earn up to 6.3% sale commission. Let's try this one first, Lazada PH. Oops, your property is still awaiting approval. If you have just signed up for an account, please allow up to 48 hours for your property to be approved. We will send an email to you once it has been approved. You can also click this information here for on your submitted property. In the meanwhile, take a look at Knowledge Base or Involved Asia blog to see how you can maximize your earnings once we approve your application. All right, we are not approved yet. Just wait for about 48 hours. So that's all for now, guys, and thank you so much for watching, and we will wait for the result of our application. We will wait until tomorrow or the next day, and I will update you on the status of our application. Thank you so much for watching, and this is LD signing off. Goodbye.